don't misuse please in Japanese. Hi everyone, Tosh Sensei is here from TechLessons.com. So today I would like to teach you two different ways to say please in Japanese. Many people misuse it. So let's go. First please is you wanna get something, give me please. Like can I have something? Repeat after me. お願いします。お願いします。Very good. It is you wanna get something or get me please. You wanna say can I have something is お願いします。Okay? Take a look for example sentences. If you wanna have some water, you can say can I have some water please? So, repeat after me. 水お願いします。水お願いします。Very good. If you wanna get tea, so you can say, can I have some tea please? So repeat after me. お茶お願いします。お茶お願いします。Very good. Second please is どうぞ。Repeat after me. どうぞ。どうぞ。Very good. So give to someone. Please feel free to take it. Or you open the door for somebody and then you say, please go ahead. Then you can say どうぞ. Okay? So let's take a look for example sentences. Repeat after me. お茶どうぞ。お茶どうぞ means please have some tea. So you offer tea for someone. Okay? Next, if you wanna give souvenir for somebody, you can say here are souvenir for you. Here you are, please. Right? Repeat after me. お土産です。どうぞ。お土産です。どうぞ。Very good. Little tips here. If you want to say more polite way, may I have some tea please? Repeat after me. お茶お願いいたします。お茶お願いいたします。Very good. Sounds more polite. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye for now.